Hey food lovers, welcome back to another episode of Gerald's Kitchen. And today in my kitchen, I'm gonna show you how I make my Jamaican Easter bun. And you know, Easter in Jamaica is not complete without the traditional Easter bun. So if you like this video, you know what to do. Give me a thumbs up, turn on your post notification so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So let's start baking. Here are my ingredients. We have some honey, molasses,
but you can use a non-alcoholic malt if you wish to.
We have some almond flavoring, vanilla, guava jelly, some maraschino cherries, and I've chopped a few pieces just for the decoration. We have some nutmeg, cinnamon powder, and allspice. I have some margarine, and this is my fruits, and I'm using raisins and a cherry, and I've go ahead and I've chopped it a little bit just to get it smaller. We have some all-purpose flour. We have some brown sugar, and I'll be using a cup of brown sugar, 2 eggs, my baking powder, lemon zest, and a little lemon juice.
Now I'm going in with about 2 cups of all-purpose flour.
So I'm going ahead and I'm sifting it just to get rid of the lumps from out the flour. And I'm going to go in with about 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Mixed spice, about a teaspoon of mixed spice. A little more than a teaspoon. Cinnamon powder, about a 1.5 teaspoon. Guys, I'm also gonna go in with about a pinch of salt. Okay, and this is about 2 teaspoons of nutmeg.
Now I'm mixing all the spices with the flour so it's nicely incorporated.
So that is it for the dry ingredients. For the wet ingredients, I'm going to go in with a whole dragon stout, about a teaspoon of almond, some vanilla extract, two tablespoons of honey, guys, I'm also going in with about a cup of brown sugar, a tablespoon of molasses, two tablespoons of guava jam, and about 4 tablespoons of my melted butter. So now I'm just taking this part out of the egg. I just don't like to use it. Just get it out. Okay, and now I'll be adding my lime zest to my eggs. And a little bit of the lime juice. So let me just go ahead and add this to my wet ingredients.
Now this is it for my wet ingredients. So now I'm gonna go ahead and combine my dry and wet ingredients.
So now guys, I'm going in now with my mixed fruits. And I've already preheated my oven at 350 degrees, and I'll be baking this for about 1 hour to 1.5 hours. So guys, I've went ahead and I've greased my baking tray, and I'm gonna line the bottom with some grease paper, just like this. I'm now gonna go ahead and pour it in. It's looking so good. Just try to get everything out. I don't want to waste anything. This is too good to waste. And I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna just decorate it. Look at it. So I'll be baking it for about an hour. Come back when it's finished.
I'm gonna go ahead and start making the glaze for my Easter bun. Two teaspoons of margarine.
Teaspoon of honey. And finally my guava jelly, about a teaspoon as well, or 2 teaspoons. So we're gonna let it stay on low heat until it's all melted. My bun is now out the oven. It is smelling so good. And now I'm gonna go ahead and start glazing. So please remember to give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment, okay? Look at how mouth-watering this bun looks. Let me just cut into it to show you how moist it is. Look at it. Wow. So guys, this is it. My homemade Jamaican Easter bun.
So thank you for watching. Be safe, take care. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.